Good morning students and welcome to your maths class. In today's maths we will do the NCERT Maths Magic book. So everyone quickly take out your book. We will do chapter number 15, how many ponytails. So coming to page number 124. Letters in name. Ask your friends to write their names on a paper. But students, we are not able to go to school as due to pandemic. So here I have written some names for you all so that we can do the sums. See the names: Ramesh, Salma, Priya, Ali, Riya, Pooja, Lalit, Neetu, Fred, Uday, Tina, Maria, Gopal, Bindu, Chitra, Deepa, Hira, Karan and Vikram. Now see question number A. The number of names ending with the same letter. Ending with the same letter? Yes. The names are Salma, Priya, Riya, Pooja, Tina, Maria, Chitra, Deepa and Hira. Their names are ending with the same letter, that is which letter? Yes children? Yes, letter A. All these names are ending with the same letter A. So, the number of names ending with the same letter, how many? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, our answer for question number A will be 9. Now, coming to question number B. One letter with which no name starts. Here there are many letters with which the names are not starting, like E, I, J, O, X. So here I have written the letter E. You can write any other letter also with which no names has been written. Number C. The number of names starting with the same letter. So which names are starting with the same letter? Yes, there are 4. They are Ramesh and Riya and Priya and Pooja. So 4. Now coming to the bottom portion of page number 124 about the fruit seller. The fruit seller has many fruits for you. Look at them and find out what the different fruits are. He is having bananas, apples, oranges, and he is telling that his fruits are very fresh. Now coming to page number 125, you can see the top portion, count and write. There are pictures of fruit and you have to write the number of fruits. So from the basket we have to count and write. So number of apples we have counted and we got 12. Number of bananas we have counted and we have got 7. And oranges 9. So you count and write your answer. Next, coming to the same page 125, hairstyles. Mala is going to school. Her mother has combed her hair. Mala has 2 ponytails. Now look at the children in your class. All children comb their hair in different ways. Look and write down. Now again children, as we are not able to attend the class due to pandemic, so I will provide you the data of number of children with a particular hairstyle. Like single ponytail 8 students, 2 ponytails 13 students and boys 19 which do not have any ponytails. With this record you have to write the answers. So this is your homework. Find out and fill in the blanks. The number of children with single ponytail is dash, then the number of children with 2 ponytails. You have to write more or less, and number B is dash children have short hairs. So this is, so from the data that is being provided you have to do the homework on page number 124.